In today's video we visit a beautiful beach, a train station with a long name, and a castle in Caernarfon. We marvel at some views. I wish I could camp here. And get swarmed by midges. I can feel the midges chomping at me as I walk. Morning everybody, it is, my eyes are still watering, Thursday, driven for a walk, Thursday, August the 11th, and welcome back to another video. It is just morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
Sounded like travelling.
Oh yeah, he does that.
Did he?
We are heading towards Anglesey, so our plans for today are, we just had an hour or two
At the campsite.
not doing much, and we are now heading towards Anglesey, and I think we've got 3 things on the agenda today. We want to go and see the train station or the town with the longest name, which I'm not sure if it's the longest name in Europe or wherever. No idea how to say it.
At the roundabout,
Is that in
exit.
Anglesey?
It is on Anglesey, and it sounds like this.
Ganweer Pugvingig Gogerish Windrobo Gantisilio Gogogo.
And we are going to see that as well. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go and find a beach that our neighbours on our campsite recommended. So Max can have a play. We bought his swimming trunks, his towel. Anyway, let's show you a little bit of the Welsh countryside and cars pulling out in front of us. I'll do, bit of luck. So the first thing is to see about parking. I think it is all for donations, so we might be able to put a couple of quid in. You may have noticed on your donation box, any donations will be used to purchase food to help us manage Woodland. Okay, so it doesn't look like we have to pay. You are welcome to park here respectfully, and we would love it if you could donate whatever you can. I've got some change. Have I got to pay? Yes. I have £1 in my pocket, so we will pop that into the box. We feel very lucky that we got that parking space. Somebody was leaving just as we turned up, so stroke of luck after the last one being.
Yeah, we'll shout out.
If you're watching, Little Red Mini, thank you. So we're now not quite sure where we're going, so we're going to head that way, and we think it's going to take us to a beach, but I think it might be worth just checking our maps because there's a footpath over there as well, so let's have a look. Right, we bailed on this side there. Unfortunately, it is a 3-mile walk to the beach,
An hour.
which is going to take us the best part of an hour, and Max is not up for it, so we've been told there might be another beach that's a bit quieter further up the coast, so we are going to jump back in a van and head that way now, and fingers crossed we're not going to spend the next 2 hours driving around getting frustrated and seeing nothing, so wish us luck. We have managed to find parking in the street, which we don't do that often, so we have an hour now at the beach for Max.
I like to live in this house here.
It's being built, it's still being built, darling.
I don't know.
Yeah, that is nice, isn't it?
They probably do it.
So let's check out this beach, and I will put the name of the town below because I can't pronounce these names and I can't even remember what it's called. Ries Niger or something. So sorry about that pronunciation, but here is the beach and it looks pretty good. So that is our quick, very quick trip to the beach. We are now heading to the railway station with the long name and into Caernarfon to have a look at the waterfront and to get something to eat as well. So let's go, Maxie.
I need some coke. My mouth is full of coke.
Max needs some coke in his mouth. That is the sea for you. Very inconvenient. Beautiful beach here, by the way. It's all sandy. The sand is amazing. Golden sand, really good. I don't even hear me because there's no proper microphone on this, but I'm trying to speak close to the camera now. Golden sands, hardly any pebbles, hardly any seaweed. I think the tide is well out now, so yeah, definitely recommend it. Not busy at all either. Parking's a little bit of a problem. I think there's parking over there, the other side of these dunes, but we parked on the street, as you know. So right, we're heading back and we will see you probably at that train station with the long name. We have stopped at this train station with a long name stop, and I will show you it now. It's just over here, and we are going to give you a quick glimpse. We're only going to be here for 5 minutes, so it is really a whistle stop short. Look up, you can see it up there, look, on top of the building.
Gaan weer Puchwingeh Gogerish Vindrobo Hantisilio Gogogo.
So here we are, that is that train station in the town. We are going to have a quick look in the shop before we head back to Caernarfon for something to eat, well deserved sit down and a drink. welcome to Caernarfon, everybody. We've stopped here for a couple of hours. There is a marina, there is a castle, and there is hopefully somewhere where we can get lunch or dinner, as it is going to be now. So here we are. This is a nice start. We have headed onto the promenade and we have the castle. And next up will be, I'll take some pictures and video, maybe try and put a little bit of information in about the castle and its history, because it's something that I'd like to learn and I can share that with everybody. So welcome to Caernarfon Castle. Built by Edward I, the project started in 1283. Edward and his military architect, Master James of St George, erected a castle, town walls and a quay all at the same time. This gigantic project eventually took 47 years and cost a staggering £25,000. Let's have a quick look around the town before we grab something to eat. Tea time, we have chicken burger, chips, mac and cheese,
Scrappy fries,
scrappy fries, mac and cheese and a beer. Nothing for Suzanne.
nothing for me, and a Diet Coke. Oh,
Glass and mac and cheese for
got
Max.
mac and cheese. Mac and cheese for Max.
Mummy is having, Suzanne is having scampi. Oh, here we
I'm
go.
having
Here's yours.
scampi. Yes, please.
How's it look?
Amazing. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Cheers. Thank you.
So that was Caernarfon. We're now heading back to the campsite to chill out, have a drink.
The problem is with the restaurants in Caernarfon, a lot of them didn't open till 5.
That's, yeah, see, it's
because
summer
we found
holidays.
that nice one, didn't we?
Yeah.
We were going to go in and it looked really nice. Pizza looked really nice, or the menu looked nice.
Yeah,
But they didn't start.
there's like
till
5 or
3
6
till
or a
5.
place like that. So there's only 2 pubs that we found that were open. It's the first time we've eaten out on holiday, really, apart from in London. So anyway, back to the campsite now for drinks, lounging and chilling.
Miss you.
Max
You're
misses
watching this
me.
video.
So I've come for a little explore around the campsite, and there's this little bridge that I found that I'm sure everyone else knows about apart from us. I'm just going to see where it goes. I'm hoping to get a good picture of something, but time will tell. Got all goats or sheep or something out this side. Goats, I think. No, I'm pretty sure that wasn't picked up. I've just seen an owl, I think, swoop out of a tree and land through. This is beautiful. I'm going to show you a clip of this. I can feel the midges chomping at me as I walk, and I've got no insect repellent on. But this is just beautiful. Look at this. I wish I could camp here. It's just amazing. It's like being in the middle of nowhere. Wow. So I'm just heading back now over the little bridge that I just crossed.
so many. Is it just like notorious Wales? It's notorious for flies. Oh, is it because we're near the water, isn't it? Oh, I don't like it. I'm going to have nightmares. How are we going to get them all off by the morning?
Don't even heard anymore.
Were they not? Oh, to the max.
That's scary. They're all on the outside, thankfully, but, well, look at the size of that bugger. Oh, there's a bird on there. Oh, they're everywhere. We are quite near a stream, but...
Oh, look at that here.
Oh my god, there's loads of them. Why are they here? Why are they attacking us?